Adam and Katie's Adventures, featuring Adam and Katie.
Welcome to episode 13 of our van build series. This week is going to be, well, figuring out how to finish a lot of projects that we've started. So we've got potential for getting the shower running. We've got potential for finishing the kitchen countertops. We've got potential for getting cabinets started. We've got lots of things that are actually finishing up one by one. So I'm not sure exactly what we're going to be doing throughout the week, but for right now, I'm going to be drilling a hole for the toilet vent fan, which is actually going to be one of the final things that we need to wire up. So maybe we can call it a checkbox for finishing up electrical and wiring entirely after this day. But who knows, we still have to tank up the shower after that, so one step at a time. But let's get to it. So we've already got a couple of holes cut out right up here. Those are going to be for the shower, water intake, and now we have, as we have many times in the past, two separate holes. We're going to go with this one because it's better than this one, and that one we're just going to tank right over. And we're going to be using this bad boy right here with this 2-inch hole driller bit on it. So let's try that out for size. Alright, one thing done, and I'm already covered in sweat. I don't know why we decided it was going to be a good idea to build our van in the middle of summer in East Texas. Or Texas in general, but I guess it has its benefits. Right now, it's just a hot, muggy mess with mosquitoes everywhere and every day. But enough of my sob story, let's get back to work. Alright, and here we have the makings of the under sink portion of our kitchen. Beautiful hole, beautiful hole, beautiful hole, beautiful pipes, beautiful tubes. And now we're moving on to, I think I'm going to do cabinets above the kitchen, which is going to require me to use a new tool for the first time. But before all of that, this place is a sawdusty mess in here, so I'm going to just vacuum it up really quick. Okay, here's the deal. We have these boards, they're all measured out and everything, but we bought a new tool, this circular saw, and we bought that so that we could make really good cuts for our countertop and the desktop, which is out of this thick butcher block material, and we're gonna stain it up really nice. It needs to be perfect, so we need really straight lines, so that's why we got this. But the truth is, I am scared of this tool. I've never used it before, and it's one of those with this big blade on it that kind of just makes me feel like as soon as I turn it on, it's just gonna get away from me and chop off all my fingers, which I would not want. So I'm gonna practice with this tool, making really good straight cuts for this frame for the kitchen cabinet, and then hopefully I'll have a little bit of experience going into the countertops when we get to that phase a little bit later. So bear with me, and hopefully we don't see any bloodshed here. Wow, that's actually really good though. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna start with the 2x3 right up here at the top. And it's a little bit bendy right here, so I'm gonna try to get that as flat and level as possible. Alright, you know it's a good sign when you push something, moves the whole van. That's security. Alright, so I already put this in, and this board is really great, but I just wanted to share with you guys because this is the best board I have ever cut in this entire project. It fits exactly perfectly. and it just stays there right at the level that I want it to. Perfectly level, flat along here, and that is something I am very proud of. All right, little cabinet update here. I got a 1/4-inch panel on the bottom with a hole cut out for the light that's going in the kitchen. Alright guys, this cabinet is almost done. Katie's out there working on some components for the shower, and I just made my little art piece for the last sideboard here. The router has been a really fun tool for me to play with. I'm just going to slap this right on the side like that, and we're going to lose some of my art, but that's okay because it was just for fun. Alright, back in action, another day of building. We've got this kitchen cabinet figured out, and you can see we took a board out of there, or you can't see, now you can see yet. And there's my pretty little palm tree that I drew. But the thing was, we didn't really need that board, and it was taking a lot of space out, and now we have more space. The next project is still cabinets, but we're gonna need bedroom cabinets now. So the first thing I need to do for that is create a board that's the perfect length for the whole cabinet line across the ceiling, because this 1/4-inch panel isn't strong enough by itself to hold up the whole weight of the cabinet. So we need to attach something to these vertical furring strips that I can tell where they are because of these screws going back. That's what we're doing. That's what I'm about to measure. Actually, I did just measure it and I marked it, and I'm about to go cut it with the circular saw, which I've been using here and there and getting better at. Hello everyone. It is Saturday at 7:30 p.m. and I've been working on this cabinet now since like Tuesday. And honestly, it's been one of those that I've just kind of been procrastinating putting it together. I've had most of the pieces done for a while now, but if you've seen already at this point in the episode, I spent a lot of time making them really pretty, which maybe wasn't necessary, but I did it anyway. And now we're finally ready to put it together. But it's been so long that Katie's down there right next to me working on the next episode. So let's finish out episode 13 here, put this cabinet together, and then say goodbye. All right, here we go. Here we go. And say hi to Katie.
Hi, it's me. Remember me? Sorry I wasn't in the video this week. Just been working. Need 2 hands.
Push it.
I'm trying! Ah! I'm really tired.
I think that's all I needed her help for, so thank you, Katie, and we'll see you next episode.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
All right, headlamp time. It happened! Out of battery!
Oh no. Okay, can we just look at how Adam is holding these boards together to drill them with a headlamp?
Resource. Dark.
But we're getting there. We're getting there. Right? Am I right?
Are you talking to me?
Nope.
Alright guys, it's been a long one, but there she is. Good old Cabinet McGee right here. We've got my pretty little hawk who's kind of covered up, and Katie's pretty little turtle, Shelby, who we're naming her. And she's got a little bit of a better view of everything. And we're gonna have our clothes in there and some other stuff. Anyway, that's it for us. It's been a really long day and it's been a long week overall. Even though it might not seem like we've gotten very much accomplished, these last detail projects, they take a lot out of you and they require a lot of brain. And I'm just about out of brain for right now, so I don't have much to say. My light, I'll put that up here so that we're not blinded. Thank you guys for watching if you have been, and don't forget to like and subscribe and all that stuff. Stay tuned for next week where we're gonna see what Katie's up to in there. She's doing some stuff in the shower right now, and yeah, we're gonna be done enough to hit the road within the next, I think, 3.5 weeks. That's our timeline here. So lots of things are going to be coming together around these last little bits, and hopefully you guys stay tuned and enjoy that journey with us. But that's enough yammering on for me right now. I'll catch you guys next week. Bye-bye. Why don't you just say goodbye too?
Bye. Stay tuned for showers with Katie.